Okay, guys, so let's start ISI 2020 question number 21. Okay, we have already completed till question number 1 to 20. So let's start question number 21, PEA 2020. Okay, so 21, consider a burdened price competition model between two profit maximizing producers, say A and B. So here there are two producers, A and B. Okay, and they are producing some product. Okay, okay, the marginal cost of producing that product is 4 for each producer. So the marginal cost of producing that product is only 4 for that producers. Okay, each producer has a capacity constraint to produce only 5. Okay, so whatever the firm, that firm A and firm B, that were particularly producing that particular goods, but they have a capacity of only producing quantity as a 5, not beyond 5. Okay, so there are 8 identical individual who demand 1. Okay, so 8 identical consumer, and the maximum they're demanding 1 at a time, and value each of that product at a 6. Okay. Hmm? So if the firm are maximizing profit, then the following statement is true: firm A and B will charge 4, firm A and B will charge 6, or A and B will charge greater than or equal to 5, or none of the above. Okay, guys. So let's solve that particular question. So everything is given in the question. There are burden price discrimination, guys. So whenever the term burden is there, so it means that what? That is a price game. So whenever the kurno is there, so that is a quantity movement game. So burden is a price movement game. Okay. So simple, there are two firms is given, marginal cost is also given, and the consumer maximum capacity is also given, that is 6 rupees they can give for the 1 unit of that particular goods. Okay, so just guys, maximizing profit, whether the firm will charge at what price, that will give him the maximizing profit. Okay, so that is the questions. Okay, so let's solve it. Okay, so guys, first we check the option. Okay, first we check accordingly options and just give the values. Whenever the firm A and B will charge 4, so what will be the profit for that two firm? Just check it for A, B, C option. Okay, so okay, so for option, we just checking for the A option. A option is what? That is given, firm A and firm B both will charge rupees 4. So firm A equal to firm B equal to 4. So that is given. Okay. So okay. So guys, suppose if firm A will charge rupees 4. Okay. Okay. So if the firm will charge PA equal to 4 and sell his entire supply of 5 units, entire supply of 5 units here given, maximum he can sell only 5 units. Okay, so whenever the price is 4 and his ability to sell his product in the market only 5 units, so what will be the profit? So what will be the profit? So profit of the firm is what? Total revenue minus total costs. Hmm? Total revenue minus total cost. So 4 into 5, that is total revenue, minus total cost. Total cost, guys, that is given now. Hmm? 4 unit, that's the cost. So 4 into 5, what will be the cost? 4 into 5. So profit is here, guys, what? 0. Profit is here 0. Okay, but guys, okay, that's fine. Firm A will charge 4, but the profit of the firm A, when the firm A will give 5 units to the market, then his profit will be 0. But the consumer demanded till 8 unit. Consumer demanded till 8 units. So firm A will already cover these portions. So firm 2 will operate here now. Firm 2 operate here only 3 units. Hmm? Only 3 units. So what will be the profit for the firm B? What will be the profit for the firm B? So the profit will, that is 3 unit left into, guys, but the firm 2 will only left now. So why firm will charge only 5? Firm will charge beyond 5 because he has a monopoly power, because only firm 2 will left in this market only, because firm A already taken 5 units but its profit is going to be 0. So firm will charge his maximum ability. What? कंज्यूमर, जो कंज्यूमर की मैक्सिमम क्षमता है उसी क्षमता में जो है वो अपने प्राइसेस को रखेगा ताकि उसके जो है प्रॉफिट मैक्सिमाइज हो सके. Okay, because only firm 2 is in the markets, so firm 2 will charge what? Whatever the ability that consumer has. So consumer has ability what? 6 rupees. Okay, so firm 2 will charge 6 rupees, not 5 rupees. So can I write here 6? That is P into Q minus total cost. So total cost is what? Every additional cost or the marginal cost is what? 4 rupees now. That is given. So 4 into 3. So that is what? 6 now. That is 6. So the profit of the firm B is greater than the profit of firm A here. Huh? So, but our condition is what? We have to maximize A only. If the firms are maximizing profit, then the following statement is true. So this is not the correct option. Okay, guys. Similarly, check for the B option as well. Whenever the firms will charge 6 units, what will be the profit for the firm A and the firm B? Just check it. Similarly, take the option B. Take the option B when the firm A and firm B will charge 6. So what will be the profit? So suppose if firm A will charge 6 rupees, 6 rupees, but guys, this is a what? This is a Burton model now. So there is a what? Price movement game. Okay, so there is a price movement game. So B strategically change less than 6. B will charge less than 6. Just undercut it and and say he will charge P equal to 5.9, just a 5.999. Okay, so what will be the profit? So whenever the prices is just less than the price of A, so whole market is shifted to B. Okay, whole market is shifted to B, but the firm B will sell only 5 units to the consumer. Both have ability to maximum sell what? 5 quantity, that is a 5 unit that is given. Only 5 units they can sell to the consumer. Okay, so guys, find the profit of the Bth firm. Okay, Bth firm when the firm A will charge 6. So B will just undercut it because this is what? Burton model. Okay, so just undercut it. So 5.9 into 5 minus 4 into 5, total revenue minus total cost, you will get what? 9.5. You will get 9.5. Guys, firm B already operate till 5 units, but there are total 8 units that were demanded by the consumer. So whatever the left amount, that is 3 now. 3 is the left amount. So this is for the firm A. So what will be the profit for the firm A? So profit of the firm A, but the firm A will charge what? 6 now in case B. Okay. So Okay, so from A, profit is total revenue minus total cost, 4 into 3. So again 6. Again 6. So here again, guys, again, what happened that the profit of the firm B is greater than the profit of the firm A. Hmm? Firm A profit is 6, but the firm B profit is what? 9.5. So 9.5 is greater than 6 now. So again here the firm B's profit is going to be higher. So this is not the case. Guys, similarly, you just check for the option C as well. Firm A and firm B will charge greater than or equal to 5. Greater than or equal to 5. So similarly, check for the option C as well. Okay. So, okay. Suppose if firm A will charge 5, but our marginal cost is 4. So firm B will just undercut it. Why? Because this is a Burton model, price movement game. So, so B is doing what? Just undercut it, and B will say no. I will charge only 4.9. B will charge only 4.99999. Okay, just less than firm A. So if the firm B will charge less than the price of the firm A, then whole market will shift it to firm B. But the firm B has the ability to sell to sell only 5 amount of quantity to his customers. Okay, so guys, just find out the profit of the firm B. So what will be the profit of the firm B? So just find the profit of the firm B. So price into quantity is 5 minus 4 into 5. So you will get 4.5. So guys, firm B firm B sell already 5 units. So what's the rest amount? 3 now, because total is 8 amount. Total what? 8 unit. Total is 8 unit now. Here total is 8 unit. Hmm? Hmm. 8 identical individual who demanded one only, the value each at 6. So there are only 8 unit that were demanded by that consumer. Okay. So guys, okay. So already B has sell 5 units. So what's the rest amount? That is 3. So 3 were sold by the consumer. Sorry, firm A. So what will be the profit of the firm A? Then same total revenue minus total cost minus 4 into 3. So what happened? That is 3. So here firm B profit is less than, sorry, firm B's profit is greater than firm A profit. So here again it will create, but our objective is what? Find the profit, means the profit of the firm A should be greater than B. But here it will just opposite. So this is not the case for holding the correct option. So D should be the correct option. None of the above answer is correct. Okay, guys, this is a Burton game. So whenever the Burton game, okay, so there is a price movement game. You just undercut it. Suppose if the marginal cost is 4 rupees, but you are charged 5 rupees, suppose firm A, so firm B. Suppose I am a firm B, so I will just undercut it. I will charge just less than 4.9. If you will charge 4.9, I will charge 4.8. If you will charge 4.8, I will charge 4.7 till marginal cost, but not beyond this, because guys it will gives a negative profit. So negative profit means zero profit is better than negative profit. So not go beyond the marginal cost. So just undercut it and just solve the equations and nothing else. So the correct option is none of the other options are correct. So D should be the correct options. D should be the correct option. Okay. Hmm? Easy. So move to question number 22. Okay, guys, this is so easy type of question. The government estimates the market demand and market supply for turnips to the following, that is the demand functions is also given and the supply function is also given. Guys, first you equate demand and supply. You will get what? The equilibrium point now. So just equate it QD and QS. QD and QS, if you equate it, that is 30 minus 2P is equal to 4. So what's the price? Just equate it. You will get price equal to 13. And if the price equal to 13, you will get Q equal to 4. You will get Q equal to 4. This is the optimal point. Okay, this is the optimal point. Okay, that's fine. So, okay, that's fine, guys. Okay, where P is the per unit price and Q is the quantity measured in kilograms. The government aims to increase the market price for turnips to $8 per unit to improve the welfare of domestic producer for turnips. So government aim and government is thinking that to increase the market price for turnip. Turnip what? To $8 per unit. $8 per unit. So price equilibrium price is what? 13. But government wants to maximize the welfare for the domestic producers. So government just give an advice to increase the market price for turnip to $8 per units. Okay, $8 per unit. So is is considered three possible choice. It is considered three possible choice per unit subsidy, a price floor, and purchase any surplus production and production quota. Which of these policies should be government adopt if it want to maximize the producer welfare but minimize the loss of efficiency? So basically government wants to maximize the producer welfare but minimize the loss of efficiency. Okay, so these things, guys, should be very important whenever you do this kind of questions. Read this kind of questions very carefully. Okay, so okay, let's solve it. So guys, equilibrium price and equilibrium quantity is this much. Equilibrium quantity is this much. So guys, just solve it. Just solve it. So whenever you just make a graph for like this, this is a price and this is a quantity now. This is a price and this is a quantity, and you will get this demand curve here that is given now. Okay, so this is, guys, given. Okay, QD equal to this much. So you will get this Q and P. Okay, but the equilibrium point is at what? 13 and 4 now. So somewhere like price equal to 13 and the quantity demanded is 4. But governments wants 8. 8. So quantity demanded equal to what? 30 minus 2p now. But government wants what? The price should be increased by 8. 8. So that is 8. So what's the value of Q? Just solve it. You will get 14. You will get 14 now. So something like here 8 and 14. 8 and 14. But guys, but before doing these questions now, in this question there are certain things that is mentioned. It is considered three possible choice: per unit subsidy, price floor, and the production quota. Which of these policies should government adopt if it wants to maximize the producer welfare but minimize the loss of efficiency? Okay, so what we should accept these three things. Out of these three things, which one of these following should be accepted? That the producer welfare should be maximized and efficiency should be minimized. Okay, so okay, so whenever we are for the subsidy. So guys, whenever we are talking about the subsidy, na, subsidy. So this is the demand now. This is a demand kind of. This is a demand line. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so can we say about this much is a producer surplus, like this part, that is this triangle, this triangle, and this much triangle, this much triangle, you will get what? The consumer surplus. But when the price is at 8, the producer surplus is going to be 0. The producer surplus is going to be 0. But the consumer surplus you will get, just find the area of these two things, triangle and rectangle. You will get the consumer surplus as 45. Consumer surplus is 445. Okay. So here guys, the producer surplus is going to be 0 when you take as a subsidy case. Similarly, if you take the price floor and purchase of surplus, purchase of surplus. So guys, government aims at decrease the price, so price floor is not appropriate. What happened here? Here, the government is increases the price till 8, but the equilibrium price is 13. But government want to stay price at only 8 rupees, only at 8 rupees. So whenever the price is going to be fall, so the producer is not happy. Producer is saying that why I will produce that particular goods because the price is going to be fall. So this is not the case of price floor or purchase of the surplus. Huh? Guys, you just think now, equilibrium price is this much, but government wants 8 price, rupees 8. So why you will produce such things at rupees 8? You will produce? No. Okay, so subsidy no, either no. Okay, production quota. So guys, production quota will happen when so it will increase in price, it will increase in price. So whenever the production quotas will be happen, like suppose ki you have a capacity to produce like 5 units of goods, but if the consumer will demand more and more, then you have to charge more of that particular goods now, more of that particular goods, but the price is here only 8 rupees. Not, you will not go beyond the 8 rupees. So there is no such like a production quotas will be there. Okay, so I think the option, either price subsidy or the price floor, either a production quota or a price floor. Mm, but guys, subsidy is not with the option, that's sure. But mm, either production quota or price, no. I think guys here no. I think not either. I think here should be a neither, neither nor. Okay, neither nor. So D should be the correct option. Because you think now equivalent price is 13 and government should charge rupees 8. So your main objective is to welfare the producer perspective, not for the consumer perspective. So whenever the price is going to fall to 8 rupees, so producer is obviously unhappy. They might be not producing even at rupees 8. So okay, so D should be the correct option. Neither of this policy will adopt by this firm. Okay. So guys, equilibrium price should be there to manage these things. Okay. So I think this is some problem with that questions. Okay. Question number 23. A monopolist faces a demand curve Q is equal to 5 by P. Her cost function is this. Okay, her cost function is this. Suppose in the same market, there are some competitive suppliers ready to sell the good at the price P is equal to 5. Okay, P is equal to 5. The monopolist profit maximizing price and output could be given by what? Given by what? So guys, read this line carefully. In this question, basically there are two forms. There are two forms, that is form 1 and form 2. Form 1 is a monopolist. Form 1 is a monopolist. And there is a total cost now. That is total cost is what? Total cost is 3Q. So what is the marginal cost? 3 now. That were charged by monopolist firm. That were charged by monopolist firm. Okay, that's fine. But at the same markets, in the same market, there is another firm that is competitive suppliers. That is competitive supplier, and he sell at a price P is equal to 5. Okay. Okay, so he sell at a price P is equal to 5. So monopolist profit maximizing firm and output could be given by what? So guys, main objective of the monopolist is just to get a profit maximizing price, just to maximizing it. Guys, think about it. I am a monopolist. Suppose here I am a monopolist and you are a perfect competitive firm and you are charging price equal to 5, and I am a monopolist, you are a perfect competition, but my marginal cost is only 3 rupees. My marginal cost is only 3 rupees. But if I want to maximize my profit, I will just charge less than you. I will charge less than you. Okay. So I will charge just less than 4.999999 because my marginal cost is guys 3. My marginal cost is 3. You will charge P equal to 5. You will charge equal to P equal to 5, but I will charge, okay, that's fine. I will charge 4.99999. Okay, that will increase my profit now if you compare to these two things. Hmm? So simple now. So just price is equal to 4.9, and if the price equal to 4.9, so quantity is equal to what? 5 by this much. So D should be the correct option. Hmm? D should be the correct option, guys. Okay. So two kind of firms operating here. One is monopolist and second is competitive. So monopolist firm, the cost is only 3 rupees. Marginal cost is only 3 rupees. But in the same markets, the competitive firm is just pricing rupees 5. But my main objective is to maximize the profit. So I will just charge less than the competitive firms. I will just charge 4.999999. That way it is better than this now. So that's the question, guys. So D should be the correct option. D should be the correct option. Okay, then so let's move to the question number 24. Guys, this is so easy type of question. The consumption function is given, that is C is equal to A y to power beta, and beta is equal to 0.5, and A is also given. Guys, just find the marginal propensity to save, nothing else. Just find the marginal propensity to save. Okay, so guys, if we put the value, what we will get? C equal to, just put here the value of A and beta. You will get 0.3 y by power 0.5. Okay. C. So guys, when you differentiate it with respect to y, you will get MPC. You will get MPC. So MPC. So MPC is what? dc by dy now. Just dc by dy, you will get MPC. So guys, just differentiate it. Differentiate it, you will get what? 0.15 y minus 0.5. Guys, nx n minus 1. Simple what? Simple uh, differentiation. So, so MPC, you will get what? 0.15. Guys, this is minus now. So when, and this is what? 1 by 2 means root. Huh? So can I write this way? Hmm? Can I write in this way as well? So easy. So, yeah, guys, but they are talking about marginal propensity to save. But we know MPC plus MPS is equal to 1. Huh? We know now MPC plus MPS equal to 1. Basic microeconomics. So, guys, you have a MPC. Just put it and just find out the value of MPS. Just find out the value of MPS. Hmm? So just put it, nothing else. So what we have derived? MPC. MPC is what? 0.15 by root y. But we know from basic microeconomics that's the MPC plus MPS is equal to 1. So guys, just put it here. MPS is equal to 1 minus 0.15 root y. So just take LCM. Just take LCM. Hmm? Okay. Okay. So guys, this is MPS. Okay, that's fine. But in question, na, question में कुछ okay. So marginal propensity shape to okay guys is increasing in y or not. So again differentiate with respect to y. Again differentiate with respect to y because the question is talking about how the marginal propensity to save changing with the income. Changing with the income. Okay. So MPS values is this. So just differentiate it now. dMPS by dy. So if you just differentiate it, you will get minus 0.15. Guys, this is minus 1 by 2. So you will get minus 1 by 2 means 0.5 into y pe power minus 1.5. Guys, minus minus plus here now. So it will give you 0.15 into 0.5 y pe power minus 1.5. So guys, this is greater than 0. This is greater than 0. So whenever your income is increasing, then your marginal propensity to save is also going to be increasing because this relation is going to be positives. Okay. So what's the answer? Should be, I think, B. Yeah, B should be the correct option. B should be the correct option. Okay, guys, everything is given. You have a C. The value of A and beta is also given. So, guys, just differentiate with respect to Y. You will get MPC. That's fine. But the question is talking about MPS. So, just put it in that formula. MPS plus MPS equal to 1. MPC plus MPS equal to 1. So, just MPS. So you will get MPS equal to this kind of something, but this is not exact value like 0.5, 0.3. This is not exact value because here the y term is there. Okay, and we don't know the value of y. But the second option B is talking about the increasing in y or not. So just differentiate it and you will get the relation of this kind of it. Okay. So this is a positive relations, and whenever the income is increasing, then your marginal propensity to save is also going to be increasing. Okay, so that's fine. B should be the correct option. B should be the correct option. Okay, so B should be the correct option here. Just okay, so let's do question number 25. Okay, so the production function is given by y equal to al. The wage rigidity constant is given by w is greater than equal to b. The labor endowment is given by c. Here a, b, c are finite and positive constants. Assume that the entire labor endowment is supplied if A is greater than B, then in a labor market's equilibrium is what? Okay, guys, you have given. the production function, that is simple, y is equal to al. Okay, so you have y is equal to mpl. So y is equal to mpl. Y equal to mpl? No, guys, sorry, not mpl, al now. Al. Okay, guys, when you differentiate with respect to L, you will get what? MPL now. Just differentiate dy by dl. You will get MPL. MPL is what? A. Just differentiate it, you will get A. That's fine. And W is greater than equal to B. That is given also here. W is greater than equal to B, that is given here, and the labor endowment is given by C. So labor endowment means the labor supplied. So that is LS equal to C. That is given. Okay, that's fine. Yeah, and ABC are positive constraint, and assume that the entire labor endowment is supplied. So you just have to assume that whatever the labor that is here in this economy, well, all should be supplied. Okay, all labor endowment is supplied, and if A is greater than B, then in the labor market equilibrium is operating at where? Okay, that's fine, guys. MPL and ABC are positive, so this should be greater than 0. This should be greater than 0. Okay. And we have A is greater than B. A is greater than B. Guys, I'll just write in the next page. You will get it better. Okay. So, okay, guys. MPL now. MPL is what? A now. And A is greater than 0. But we have A is greater than B, that is given in the question itself. So can I write here instead of A, can we write MPL is greater than B? Hmm? Why? Because A is greater than B, that is given here only. Huh? That is given here only. Okay. So, guys, and we have W is also greater than B now. That is given. Okay, ways should be greater than the B. Okay, B. So that is also given here. That is also given here. So suppose this is 1, this is 2. So divide 1 by 2. Just divide it. Just divide it. You will get what? MPL by ways is greater than 1 now. MPL by is greater than or equal to 1. Greater than equal to 1. So guys, this is positive. This showing, guys, this is equilibrium point, MPL by W. Huh? So MPL by W is showing a positive equilibrium. So it is profitable. It is profitable for the firm to add the labor into his or her firm, because this equilibrium value is greater than 1. So additional labor should be added till all the labor supply is get added to this firm. Okay, so the all labor supply should be here to the point of C, to the point of C. So A should be the correct option. A should be the correct option, because guys, the question is asking about the labor market equilibrium. Labor market equilibrium, guys, this is what? This is a labor market equilibrium situation, and it shows a positive relations. So whenever it shows a positive relation, it means that yeah, you have a potential to add labor into your into your industry. So you can supply, means you can add till ls, and but ls equal to C, that is given here. Ls, labor endowment, is given by C, that is given here. So that's why L equal to C here only. Okay. Guys, read this line carefully. Read this line carefully and you will get it, because this question is so important. Okay. So L equal to C. Okay. Okay, guys, this is Mundell Fleming questions. This is very easy. Just you do yourself. This is theory part questions. Okay. Question number 27. Question number 27 talking about the Mr. X. Okay. Mr. X has an exogenous income W and his utility from consumption C is UC. Okay, that's fine. Suppose the individual here X, suppose this is individual and his income is W and his utility function that is UC. Whatever they are consumed, that's get a utility UC. Okay, that's fine. So Mr. X knows that an accident can occur with probability P. So he knows that if accident can occur with probability P, then he gets a monetary equivalent damage as a T. Okay. Okay. So Mr. X can, however, affect the accident probability through an prevention effort. Okay. So Mr. X has an option to prevent his effect on accident, that's the probability P of accident, by putting an effort E. Okay, so whenever you put an effort, so your damage is going to be less now, because your probability is probability of an accident is going to be fall when you put an effort, and your damage is also going to be fall. Okay, by putting an effort. Okay, that's fine. So you are putting an effort, that is E. That is E. And E can take two values 0 and A. E can take two values 0 and A, and an assumption is that the P of 0 is greater than P of A. Okay, so zero effect means the probability of zero effort is greater than the probability of effort. Okay, guys, suppose you are here, you have a two option, either putting effort or not. If you are putting effort, that's values A, and if you are not putting effort, the value is 0. Okay, okay. So that is putting prevention efforts, probability of occurring an accident can be reduced. Let us also assume that if Mr. X puts an effort E, okay, if Mr. X puts an effort E, the disutility from the effort is AE square. Guys, suppose if you are putting an effort, then you are getting a disutility. That is your cost. That is AE square, where A is the per unit effort cost. So what is the critical value of A star, below which the effort will be undertaken and above which the effort will not be undertaken by the Mr. X? Guys, this is the biggest hint. This is the biggest hint. Read this line carefully. You just have to calculate the value of A star. A star below which the effort will be undertaken. Suppose if you are putting an effort and above which the effort will not be undertaken by the Mr. X, then what should be the correct option? Guys, everything is given. Everything is given in the question itself. Just you have to put in logics and you will get the answer very easily. Okay. So एक व्यक्ति है जिसका इनकम W है और उसकी यूटिलिटी UC दे रखी है। अगर एक्सीडेंट होती है, एक्सीडेंट होने की प्रोबेबिलिटी P है, और जब एक्सीडेंट होती है तो उसकी डैमेज जो है एज अ वैल्यू T है। ओके, और ये जो व्यक्ति है एक्सीडेंट ना होने, ठीक है, एक्सीडेंट को रोकने के लिए इफर्ट लगाता है इफर्ट लगाता है और जाहिर सी बात है जब अगर वो इफर्ट लगाएगा तो उसके जो एक्सीडेंट होने के चांसेस होंगे वो कम होंगे और उसके डैमेज होने के भी चांसेस कम होंगे। बट ये जो इफर्ट है ना, अब इसके दो वैल्यूज है, चाहे वो इफर्ट बिल्कुल ही ना लगाए या फिर उन्होंने इफर्ट लगाया। अगर आपने इफर्ट लगाया ना, आपने अगर इफर्ट लगाया तो डिसयूटिलिटी मिलेगी आपको, ये आपको क्वेश्चन में गिवन है, और आपको डिसयूटिलिटी कितनी मिलेगी, दैट इज ए स्क्वायर. सो व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ ए, दैट ए, व्हाट्स द वैल्यू ऑफ ए, ओके, what's the value of a? So guys, let's solve it first. And okay, so guys, suppose you just have to compare the expected utility with effort when the accident happened and not happened. Similarly, expected utility of no effect, accident occur and accident not occur. And just you have to equate both of these things, you will get the result. You will get the result. Guys, just find the expected utility of putting an effort. If you are putting an effort, so if you are putting an effort, but guys, suppose there are two things happen. You are putting an effort and accident occur as well as accident not occur. So if the accident will occur, then the probability of accident is what, PA. But if the accident is occur, your utility, your wealth is going to be less now. So utility of what? W minus T now. W minus T, you will get the utility of W minus T. Accident occur, you are putting an effort. Plus, suppose suppose you are not putting an effort. So that is 1 minus PA, no? Not putting an effort, that is the probability. You are putting an effort, but the accident will not occur. Guys, this is the case where accident occur. Please don't confuse. This is accident occur. This is not accident occur, but you are putting an effort. You are putting an effort, but accident will not occur. That is 1 minus PA. Guys, if the accident will not occur, then your wealth is intact with you now. So U of W. But if you are putting an effort now, there is a loss of AE square. So this is your cost minus AE square minus AE square. Similarly, if you are no putting an effort, what is expected utility? If no effort, if no effort is there, if no effort is there, so no effort is what? P0. If accident will occur, your wealth is W minus T, plus accident not occur, but you are not putting an effort, 0. Simple. And if you are not putting an effort, then why you will subtract the cost? Okay, so cost will only for the effort, not for the no effort cases. So guys, just equate it. Just equate it. Expected utility of effort equal to expected utility of no effort. No effort. So just equate it. These things and these things. P of A U W minus T plus 1 minus P of A U of W minus AE square equal to P of W U of W minus T plus 1 minus P of 0 U of W. Guys, just equate it and you will get the value of A or the A star. You will get the value of A star. The value of A star would be I think option A. Simple guys, just same values, you will go one hand side and just solve it. You will get the value. Okay. So you will get the value as a A, I think. Option A, yeah. Option A should be the correct option. Simple. What should be the value of A? So this should be equal to what? A. You are putting an effort and you are not putting an effort. So what's your expected utility by putting an effort and not putting an effort? So just equate it, you will get these values. Okay, you will get these values. Okay, so option A is the correct option. So easy. Okay, let's solve the next questions. Guys, this is so easy. Question number 28. Labor supply in macro model. Result from individual decision making. Let C denote an individual consumption and L denotes the labor supply. Assume that individuals solve the following optimization problems. That's the max of UCL equal to log C minus half 1 by B L square, and subject to the budget constraint is given. Utility is given, your utility functions. B is positive, is a constant, and S bar is a constant exogenous level of saving. W is the real ways the person can earn in the labor markets to drive the optimal labor supply. It is what? Increasing in W, increasing in C, or which one of the following is the correct option out of these four options? So guys, you have a utility functions, you have a budget constraint. So if we are getting the optimal point, so what should we do? Just to use the Lagrangian functions to get the optimal values. No? So just use it. Just use it the Lagrangian values and you will get it. So what we have? Utility functions is what? Utility function is what? Given now. That is minus log C minus half 1 by B L square. That is given. Subject to budget constraint is also given, that is C plus S bar equal to WL. Equal to WL. So guys, use the Lagrangian functions. L is equal to what? L equal to what? That is, just use the Lagrangian functions, utility functions, subjective functions. So log C minus half 1 by B L square plus lambda times of this values. WL minus C minus S bar. So guys, just optimize del L by del C. What is the value of del L by del C? Log C differentiation 1 by C minus lambda equal to 0. This is first equation. Del L by del L by del L. Okay. This is L, but here also L. So with respect to L, so just differentiate it with respect to L. You will get what? Minus L by B now. Minus L by B plus lambda times of W equal to 0. Second equation. Similarly, del L by del lambda, you will get what? WL minus C minus S bar equal to 0. That is third equation. So guys, just divide equation 1 by 2 and put it into the equation third, and put it into the equation third, you will get the optimal values now. You'll get the optimal value. So divide the equation 1 and 2. You will get L equal to WB by C. WB by C. So can I write C equal to WB by L? So guys, this is, suppose this is equation 4. Put equation 4 here in equation third. This is S. This is S. So put here. Put here. Okay. So if you will put, you will get this type of something. Just put it WL equal to S bar plus WB by L. WB by L. Guys, just solve it. You will get WL square minus S bar L minus WB equal to 0. WB equal to 0. That's fine. Okay, but guys, we are more interested to find out the optimal labor supply. Now, means the value of what? L. The value of L. What would be the value of L? So after doing this Lagrangian process, we will get the some quadratic type of something. Na? So just use the formula of if this is a quadratic in nature. So use, if you are interested in roots. So what will be the formula? Minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Use that formula. So you will get the value of L star or the labor supply. Just use S bar plus minus root under S bar plus 4W square B divided by 2W. You will get this. You will get this. So this is the optimal value of the labor supply. But the question is what asking about? It is increasing in W and increasing in C. Huh? Increasing in W, increasing in C, or decreasing in W or decreasing in C. So guys, if you are just to find the like just like DL by DW and DL by DC, just find out whether it is positive, negative, whether positive or negative. So that's the question. Okay, just find out the values and all. Okay, so guys, just differentiate it. And if you'll get the negative sign, so it shows the negative, and if the positive sign, it skips the positive. Okay. So guys, if suppose if S is positive, if S is zero, if saving rate is zero, saving rate is zero, S is zero, L star, we will get what? Root B. We will get root B kind of something. Okay. So similarly, just check it. Okay. So you will solve that whether it is increasing, decreasing, or something else. Okay. So you will do these things in your own. Okay. So this is 29. Consider a solo economy that begin in a steady state. Then a strong earthquake destroy half the capital stocks. Okay. Suppose according to the solo equation, and just you are at the equilibrium point at the steady state, at the steady state situation, at the steady state situation. But what happened? What happened? A strong earthquake destroy half of your capital stocks. The steady state level of capital is what? Is what? Remain the same, or the level of output on impact obviously decrease. Level of output is what? The growth rate of the economy is what? Approaching its steady states. Approaching its steady state. So guys, what happened basically? Um, we know now the solo graphs, there are many graphs of solo, okay, in different situations. So can we recall this graph? Suppose this is a steady state, and this is a steady state, but what happened now uh, when the cap when the earthquake happen, earthquake strike and destroy half of the capital stocks. So you are just going like this side now. You are going just like this side. So what happened? Like your growth rate is positive, but just if you are just taking the double derivative, that should be less than zero. So, but your output is intact, like the steady state level of capital is remain the same, guys. A steady state level is always same now. A steady state level is same, but yeah, your output is going to fall. Your output is going to fall or the decrease, and the growth rate is going to be fall, but the steady state level should be same. That is the concept, guys, given by the solo model. Steady state growth rate should be same. Steady state growth rate will be remain the same for whether it is uh, like positive shock or the negative shocks, but the steady state will remain the same. But yeah, if the negative shock will happen, then obviously the output is going to be fall, and if the output is going to be fall, then your growth rate obviously will going to be fall. Okay, so I think B should be the correct option. Okay, so everything is given, guys. Okay, don't worry about it, guys. Question number 30, last question. Suppose the economy is characterized by the following equation: C is equal to C naught plus C1 YT. YT is a disposable income, and disposable income is Y minus T, and I is equal to investment, that is B naught plus B1 Y. Okay, that is B naught is autonomous investment, and B1 is a multiplier. Okay, for the multiplier to be a positive, what would be the conditions would be satisfied? Guys, this is so easy. This is so easy. What is the equilibrium point? Y equal to C plus I plus Z now. But here there is no Z. We have only C and I. So put Z equal to 0 here. Put Z equal to 0 here. So after putting Z equal to 0, you will get the equilibrium value of Y equal to C plus IZ, and we have given Y equal to C naught plus C1 YD, and YD is also given, and I is equal to also given, but there is no government expenditure is going to be happen here. So G values is going to be 0. So just put it here, just put it here, Y equal to C plus I, but C is what? C is C naught plus C1 YD. But the value of YD is what? Y minus T. Y minus T plus I. I is what? That is investment. And investment value is given. That is B naught plus B naught plus B1 Y. B1 Y. But there's a no G, so G values is going to be 0. Okay, that's fine. So guys, just rearrange it. Just rearrange it. Nothing else. Just rearrange it. So if you will rearrange it, now you will get this y minus c1y c1y minus b1y equal to c naught minus c1t plus b naught plus z. Okay. So guys, just add it. Just extract the value of y here. Just extract the value of y here. So you will get the value of 1 minus b1 plus c1, and here is c0 minus c1t plus b0 plus z. Okay, guys, this is autonomous part. This is the multiplier part. But the question is asking about the what is the value of these constant terms. The multiplier should be a positive. So for multiplier to be a positive, this value b1 plus c1 should be what? Less than 1 now. Because if this value is greater than 1, then the multiplier values is going to be less. It shows a negative directions. So if the values is negative, then means if the value of the multiplier is going to be negative, then you're obviously the autonomous part means the negative sign, it's always be a negative parts. Okay, so the b1 plus c1 should be less than 1 for holding the positive multiplier values. So b1 plus c1 should be less than 1. So out of this, option C should be the correct option. Okay, option C should be the correct option. Okay, so guys, we have completed the ISI 2020 question number 1 to 30. Okay, and ओके सो आई होप कि आपको इस सेशन काफ़ी अच्छा लगा होगा. ओके ओके गाइस, सो बाय.